Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Backblaze B2 scripts for VPS backup storage step by step clearly. To download Backblaze B2 scripts for VPS backup storage, start by accessing your VPS via SSH. Use a terminal window or an SSH client to connect. Once connected, ensure you have the latest package updates by running the command sudo apt-get update. Next, install the necessary software dependencies, including curl and JQ, by entering sudo apt-get install curl JQ. After installing the dependency, you can create a new directory by using the command dir backblaze scripts. Change into the newly created directory with cd backblaze scripts. To download the B2 scripts, use curl with the appropriate URL provided by Backblaze. For example, type curl https://raw.github-user-content.com/backblaze/b2_. Once the download is complete, make the script executable by running chmod +x backblaze b2. You may need to move the script to a directory included in your path for easier access. To do this, enter the command sudo mv backblaze b2/usr/local/bin/. Now, verify the installation by typing backblaze b2 help. This command should return the usage instructions for the Backblaze B2 script. Next, you'll want to set up your Backblaze B2 account and obtain your application key and key ID. Log into your Backblaze account and navigate to the B2 Cloud Storage section. Here, create a new application key and securely store the key ID and application key provided. Now return to your VPS and set the environment variables for the B2 account. You can create a .env file to store these variables by typing nano/.b2_credentials. In the .env file, add your key ID and application key in the format b2_account_id equals your _key_id and b2_account_. Save the .env file and exit the editor. To ensure the script can access these credentials, load the variables with source/.b2_credentials. You can now start using the Backblaze B2 script to back up your files. Consult the documentation for various commands to upload and manage your data in Backblaze. With everything set up, you are now ready to start backing up your VPS data to Backblaze B2. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.